Hello folks. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to route a traffic on a network. So specifically we will be looking at route tables, okay, and for that and we will be discussing about what exactly is a route table and why do we use it for. So let's first create a route table by clicking on plus sign and then searching for route table. So let's create resource, or in fact click on all services and then search for route table. Okay, so you can see that route table option is here. Click on it. Okay, and you will be provided with certain options here. uh, I can create a route table by clicking on either a plus sign or create route table button. So let me click on the plus sign first. Okay, so what exactly is a route table? A route table is nothing but a repository containing list of IP addresses, that is IP address ranges, telling Azure on how to send the traffic to your network. So now, what we can do is first we will create this route table and then we will define the rules inside this route table so that the traffic can be directed or routed accordingly. Okay, so let's name our route table here. Uh, let's say AZ route TPL. Okay, and then this is my subscription detail. I will select an existing resource group, which is ML resources, and then location is West US by default. So let's click on create. Okay, that will take a while to create this route table. So now you can see that the status has been changed to deployment in progress. Okay, so now we can see that deployment has been successful, and we can click on go to resources here. And here on the left hand side you will see several options in the settings, configuration, routes, subnets, properties, etc. So let's click on routes first. Okay, and then we will create an entry for this route table. Basically we will be creating a rule here. So in this rule what I want to do is, so we want to add a rule which says that any traffic originating from server on the, let us say, front end uh, on this network should go to another virtual network, let us say. uh, so now let me name it as route to vnet. Okay, and the address prefix I would say 160.0.0.0/23. I will take that, and then in the next hop. So basically what I'm going to do is in the next hop type I will select the virtual network because I want to send the traffic to another virtual network. Okay, and then I will click on OK here. Okay, so you can see that it is creating an entry in the route table with that specific rule, and you can see the message adding route here, right? Now, once this route is created, we need to link this route table with one of our subnet. Okay, so this this route or the rule is, in fact, the route is created in the route table. Let's click on subnets here. Okay, and let's click on associate to associate this particular route table with the subnet. Click on associate and click on virtual network. Okay, so we have vnet mlaz, so I will select this, and since I had a default I had a subnet with the name default, so I will select this and then I will click on OK. Okay, so you can see the message here, saving route table for subnet. Now this is the uh, so route table is saved here. So now we can see that any traffic generated from this network, virtual network, can be routed to another virtual network. Okay, in this way. So this is the way we do it. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I will be covering the next topic in the upcoming videos. So please keep on watching and hit the like button, share the video, as well as click to my channel. Thank you.